Hello to you and thanks for being with us today for Spotlight Carolina. I'm Mark Keady, and when something catastrophic like a fire or a flood damages your home or business, you need to call the most trusted name in remediation. That is Rainbow Restoration. Mary Palermo joins us today from Rainbow Restoration International. So good to see you.
Good to see you too, Mark.
You know, since we haven't seen you in a while, and now that you're back, you've got some changes to talk about. I'm really excited about this. Tell us more.
Oh, I'm so glad. Yes, actually, we just got into a brick and mortar as we've been working out of our home, which was fine. I had the space, wasn't an issue, but location is everything. Space is everything, especially in this industry. So
for logistic purposes, absolutely, right?
Yes, absolutely. We can get quicker to people and everything.
And look at that. That's your wonderful staff there at Rainbow Restoration, a grand opening. And you know, there's a big staff there, and I see your vehicles all over town. You guys have been busy. Are you offering the same services that you've offered before?
Absolutely, and many more services that even people don't know that we offer, just because I can't list all of them. So, you know, always, if you have any questions, always give us a call. But we're even servicing more of Western North Carolina because of our new location. We're centrally located, and we can get a lot quicker to people.
That's really exciting for so many people. What are some of the causes you address with homeowners?
Well, lately, because of a lot of the water we've had.
I shouldn't say causes. I meant concerns.
Oh, that's quite all right.
Okay.
No worries.
Yeah.
So water for us really has been the biggest thing lately. The last several springs. People even been in their homes maybe 20 some years, if you will, and have never had issues.
Right.
Well, when it's that much water and that much moisture, water is going to infiltrate somehow, and that's been one of many concerns that we've had.
And that's something, you know, I'm one of those people, as we saw the heavy rains that came in May and even through the summer, you know, I live close enough out of a floodplain, but you see the French Broad River creeping a little bit closer, the ground has been saturated, and that really does have a big effect. And that can affect people's health, is that right?
And it can. I mean, if your house isn't healthy, that's going to, you know, come on to you as well. So that is a big concern. And you know, I don't recommend that homeowners take care of that themselves, even if it's a small job. You know, let's respect it from the beginning, because then you won't have any health issues either for the home or the individual. Water from infiltration from the ground is contaminated water, which people don't realize. And so many parts of your home can be affected. If there's insulation they're not aware of, that cannot stay wet. So call the professionals.
When it goes, exactly what I was saying. When it comes to water, it is important to trust the professionals. Let's put some information on the screen. I want you to put this phone number in your phone or write it down and put it in your phone later. But I'll tell you what, hopefully it's a number that you will remember when something, unfortunately, if something catastrophic happens to you. 828-333-6996. 333-6996. The trusted experts at Rainbow Restoration. Mary, always great to have you.
Great to see you, Mark.
Thanks so much for being with us today on Spotlight Carolina.